Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on adding contacts on the Signal app. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Open up the Signal app and tap on the pen icon in the top right corner. If the person you want to add is in your phone contacts, then tap here to enable Signal contact access. Then in the settings, switch the toggle on to allow Signal to access your contacts. When you enable contact access, all of your contacts who are on Signal will appear here. To add a contact who is not in your phone contacts, tap on Find by Phone Number. Then type in the phone number of the person you would like to add as a contact, and tap Search. If that person is on Signal, you will be able to add them as a contact. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Signal tips and tricks.